Kaseng BJP hapok Mekhalaya kalaong balada kawan hakabor hapok Ghadc Autonomous District Council. Kanlek shibun kikam bat kijing penkela hakadeka council. Bat kawai ni kikam kalong ba dada kawan mentau ya ka isi kanam syakshu yagi bar Jylla Īaleh Elekshon hapok ketika district council kadan hapok Ghadc. Kawai part kijing penkela kalong bakan wengno yaki non scheduled area sani teki jaka. Kiba mahap setia hapok kijing pek kijing kemi jangga Ghadc Autonomous District Council lani ki jaka kiba kinu ki an juga district council kinu terikam setia. Hai bikila pathai khabor mata kasngi khandro tarik luber ajar foi hadir medep manpelai ya kamang terikam election jangga seng BJP nakam taka election MDC siapa Ghadc Autonomous District Council ba Anis Mauri ula kentu yaki pajba jangga Ghadc manjid Nym Ailad ya kaseng BJP kanam bakal wanra ya kijing terikam kabakamba hapok GHDC. Lalu kita kimat kibara kadau handang nak kalian ke BJP kalau angru bahkan plan cucu ya kejing terikam ke district council dak bakal lum ki khajana online ni kata ke jenglum bai musur keleng baki kor keyboard jang ke juk ke pementa nang tak kala kularu balara kayo bantau ya ke isi kanwan ra ya kejing terikam ke bakhu kabalai nak kejing bomsam bat ki kam le siliang hakabide pat bakajing memyo tolop jukinang trai Ghadc Autonomous District Council labun banai na kaliang jong uba Mauri ulaong ba na ke BJP kawan hakabor kan pentrikam yaki rukum trikam ke babiang rengkat bakijing kijing dia ke babet ke babiang kenang baki nong trai kinum du ya ketolop na kabalum testa na dia ke bapek baki khajana kinum de ban light ka sharut.
Today we have called to give the press conference. We'll release the manifesto of the party for the election in the Ghadc Council 2021. So first of all, I will release us, then we will go ahead with the program.
Can you come all cameraman? Yes. Sorry.
So this is the manifesto. I released this manifesto of the BJP party today, the 16th March 2021. 17 important points of this BJP manifesto for the GHDC election 2021. Point number 1, BJP will transform Ghadc Autonomous Council GHDC into a territorial council with more power, more department and direct funding from the center by speeding up the amendment to the 6th schedule in the center. Point number 2, BJP will frame separate rule for the GHDC. Point number 3, BJP will abolish the non-scheduled areas and empower the traditional bodies to take up local administration, protecting the interests of the people in the scheduled areas. Point number 4, BJP will authorize the local head over the resources and mineral available in their jurisdiction. Point number 5, BJP will empower the people through local self-governance by electing local bodies at the grassroots level under the village council for mass participation in terms of development, upliftment and employment of the local. Number 6, BJP will introduce separate electoral rule in GHDC. Number 7, BJP will encourage the women of the society to take up more responsibility in the development process and in the local administration of the areas including village level institution. Number 8, BJP will introduce local administrative system under GHDC to administer the urban areas through duly elected bodies. Number 9, BGP will take up registration of birth and death and the tribal certificate of the scheduled tribe in the GHADC. Number 10, BGP will introduce online revenue collection system to enhance the working mechanism of the GHADC. Number 11, BGP will review the Garo customary law as per the need of the people. Mahari and women groups will be consulted as Garo is a matrilineal society. Number 12, BGP will take up primary education, primary health care and improve the education and health care through a local head in Garo Hills. Local language will be encouraged and studies on the 6th schedule will be included in all the syllabus. Point number 13, BGP will introduce community schools, community college and community health care center in Garo Hills, through which numerous job facilities will be created for the young people. Number 14, BGP will generate employment opportunities to sustain the youth. Number 15, BGP will introduce farm, factories and industries according to the ability of their raw material, which will provide job opportunity to the people of Garo Hills. Number 16, BGP will cut down collection of taxes by the state government in the scheduled areas and minimize the share given to the state government as it has hampered the council financially. Number 17, BGP will do in-depth study on the government claim lands and return those lands which are not acquired under law. This is the 17th point in this manifesto, which we have published in English and in Garo. So here we are having in the Garo language also. And this manifesto will go to all the candidates in all the GC constituency in Garo Hills by today evening. We'll make audit all the money that has been sanctioned and provided by the center. It should be audited properly, and if we find out any person involved, he should be punished.
What about the pending salaries or staff? How will you manage this?
If the people of Garo Hills give a mandate for us, then we'll find out the solution how to solve this problem, because it's a long pending problem about the salary. Maybe one of the reason leakage of revenue. That's why I have stated in my in our manifesto that to improve the collection of revenue.